kind of like sweet bun rolls. If you're not familiar, Hawaiian bread is delicious. I've never had a challenge. Never challenged like with these little kind of sweet rolls on it, so I really like that. The 2 pounds of their signature beef. It is, I guess, like a brisket mix. Again, literally over a pound of bacon. All the veggies like tomatoes, pickles, lettuce. We have all the French fries here, which is a very, very generous pound. Then, of course, this tower of onion rings. They do have some signature sauces, like their onion rings come generally with a ranch and a barbecue. I just got the barbecue, I'm not a ranch guy. And then there's the Thousand Islands dressing sauce there. I got some ketchup, got some mustard, great big dishes. I think that will be necessary. So like I said, guys, 45 minutes, $88 on the line. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. I guess it's been over like 50-some people attempt this challenge. There's been very, very, very few winners. So let's see if we can change that today. I don't even know, how do you go into this? Hands in? Use a fork and a knife? What do you recommend?
Hands in, tear it apart.
Hands in, tear it apart. Well, you might as well, guys. So with that, let me just probably go pee one more time, and we'll start here just momentarily. All right, everybody, let's get a rock and roll. So it's told time just to dive right in. So let's do that. Of course, gotta start with the healthy veggies for the kids. Even though onion rings and fries are technically vegetables, let's try to get down to veggies. So I'm gonna try to maybe remove this top bun. Oh my God, all this bacon. This is so much bacon, guys. There's over a pound of cooked bacon here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm trying to get to the veggies, kids. What I do for the children, right? Let's try to grab this piece over here. Maybe a corner bit, like this roll with all the veggies. There's pickles on here, a whole bunch of pickles, and all the lettuce and all that stuff. So, you guys gonna get started? Alright, guys, we'll say we'll count. Maybe it's count. There's a big thing. It's kind of cool, like the way these onion little buns are ripped. We got like little multiple burgers. So, how we get started? So, it's gonna be like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh man. Actually, that's a great beef. Wow. Salt, pepper, really nice beef flavor. And the way it's seasoned, you still really taste the beef on it. It's absolutely delectable. Oh yeah, I actually like that this little bun's kind of a rippable. That's great. And those pickles are really good too. Impressive. Some mustard action going here. Oh yeah. That's actually really good. Wow. So like, someplace when they do like an oversized burger, oversized burgers fit perfectly. I asked for like medium to medium. Someplace with an oversized burger loses the quality because they're just going for like sheer size, but this is not the case. This is very delicious. Muy bien. And the way that sweet roll, very good. All right, guys, but now, as soon as you get there for the kids, which that's Hawaiian bread is delicious. Let's try to get some. I don't know how to do this. I'll try to redo some like full burgers here. I don't know, guys. I'll create them like this. Grab some like little sweet bread thingy rolls, multiple things of bacon. Oh my God, so much bacon. This is just like a bacon sandwich. I'll just eat a bacon sandwich right now. Why not? Burger challenge and a bacon challenge. Wow. God. That's a mouthful of bacon. I'm okay with that. Wow. Crazy. And eventually we'll get all these French fries, onion rings. Alright, see how I do this. I'll try to look, guys, I will try to do here like a complete burger, you know what I'm saying?